Welcome to the deep dive. Today we are pulling back the curtain on something that feels like the future of gaming, cloud gaming. Specifically, a service called Boosteroid. And the pitch, I mean, it sounds incredible. They say you can run these huge AAA titles, Elden Ring,
All
Cyberpunk,
the Bay ones.
yeah, Red Dead Redemption, and you can run them on anything, your phone, a Mac, even a cheap Chromebook.
Right.
For around €7 a month, they promise instant access, 60 frames per second. It sounds like you'd never need a console again.
It absolutely sounds like freedom, and that's the hook, isn't it?
Yeah.
But that's what we're here for. Our mission today is to look past that glamour, past the marketing, and dig right into the terms of service.
You see what you're actually buying.
Exactly. Because what they advertise and what the legal contract says could be two very, very different things.
Okay, so let's start right there. That €7 monthly fee, what does that actually get you? Are you buying access to a library of games?
That's the first major catch. The most critical detail, really. That €7, it's purely for server access.
Just the server.
Just the server. You have to already own every single game you want to play. You buy them somewhere else, like on Steam.
Wait, so I have to buy Elden Ring for, what, $60?
Yeah.
And then I pay Boosteroid €7 every single month just to rent the machine that lets me play the game I already own.
That's it, precisely. You're paying twice.
Right.
It's an infrastructure rental model. It's not like Netflix at all.
Okay, that changes the value proposition completely. Let's talk about performance then. They advertise this smooth 60 FPS experience, but the legal documents seem, well, a bit cagey about that.
Cagey is a good word for it. What's fascinating here is how they frame it legally. They cite their reliance on, and I'm quoting here, emerging technologies.
Uh-oh.
And because of that, they state they never guarantee the service will work well in your specific area.
So if I sign up and I have perfect, super fast internet, but the game is an unplayable, laggy mess because of their server routing.
It's your problem.
What?
Yes. The contract explicitly says that if the performance is different from what's advertised, you agree not to raise any claims. For a fast-paced game, that lag is a deal breaker.
A game ender.
Right. And you have zero recourse.
Which, okay, that leads directly to my next question. If the service is unusable, what's the refund policy? How do you get your money back?
Well, you don't.
You're kidding.
I'm not. Once that subscription is activated, there are zero refunds. For any reason. Not for lag. Not because a game isn't compatible. Not even if you just forget to cancel an auto-renewal.
No exceptions.
None. The Help Center is very clear. The money is non-recoverable. You pay first, and that's it.
This is just getting worse and worse. And we also found that you can't even see the full list of supported games before you pay. Is that right?
That's right. And that lack of transparency that ties into this bigger issue of instability. The terms say they can remove games at any time without notice.
So a game you bought specifically to play on their service could just disappear from their library.
It could. And they can also terminate your entire account, again, without notice and with no refund. And think about your time investment. If you cancel your subscription, they permanently delete all your local save files after just 6 months.
So that 100-hour Red Dead Redemption save.
Gone. It basically tethers you to the service forever if you want to protect your progress.
So let's put it all together for you. You're paying a monthly fee to rent a server to play games you have to buy separately. This service comes with zero performance guarantees, a zero refund policy under any circumstances, and the risk that your games or your entire account could vanish at any moment.
And we connect this to the bigger picture. It really raises a provocative question, doesn't it? With all these services built on emerging technology, where all the risk is pushed onto the user, what's the minimum level of performance you should demand?
Especially when you're already paying twice just for access.
Exactly. What level of risk is actually acceptable for a double payment on an uncertain delivery?